I successfully recreated the check_contract functionality from the basescan-mcp-server GitHub repository to verify smart contracts on Base Network. The process began by cloning the repository and analyzing the TypeScript implementation, which uses ethers.js to check if an address contains executable bytecode. The core logic involves calling provider.getCode address and verifying if the returned code is non-empty, indicating a smart contract rather than an externally owned account. I implemented this functionality in Python using web3.py, creating a script that connects to Base Network's RPC endpoints. The script performs address validation, connects to the appropriate network, retrieves bytecode, and analyzes the results. For the 0 trillion Australian dollars token address 0xCC4 ADB6182538ED0D4D8A188 FB901D70 C54735E03. The verification confirmed it is indeed a smart contract with 4,989 bytes of bytecode and specific hash identifier. The solution demonstrates how to replicate complex blockchain verification tools using different programming languages while maintaining the same core functionality. This approach provides a lightweight, standalone alternative to the original MCP server implementation, enabling quick contract verification without requiring the full TypeScript ecosystem.